Everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, we are going to explore how to automate the billing and checkout process using Paycove CRM. Now, Paycove helps to streamline your invoicing and payment processes, making it easier to manage recurring payments and sales. So first, start by logging into your Paycove CRM account, and if you don't have an account yet, you will need to sign up and complete the initial setup. Navigate to the products or services section to add the items you want to sell and enter the details for each product or service, including pricing and billing intervals if applicable. Go to the Automation tab and set up billing rules. You can define conditions for when invoices should be generated and sent, such as after a service is completed or on a recurring schedule. Next, configure your payment options. Paycom allows you to integrate various payment gateways like Stripe or PayPal. Set up these integrations to ensure payments can be processed smoothly. Before going live, test your automation setup to ensure everything works as expected. Generate a test invoice and complete a mock payment to check for any issues. And that's it. By automating your billing and checkout process with Payco CRM, you can save time and reduce error. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.